Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We welcome you back to Halal training and coaching program, and we ask Almighty Allah to bless our efforts. This is the updated version of the last video, because after doing the last video, some of our brothers asked some questions that I need to provide answers to. That's why I'm doing this video, to update the last video. So I said the next thing is that you have to buy a domain. So you have to buy a domain to connect to your landing page, because by now you should have already chosen your own niche, either dental care or any other one. You should have chosen your niche. So you have to buy a domain to connect to your landing page. So when you come to domains here on Google Host and you come to register a new domain, so when you want to buy your domain, you are using my own company name, Sadu Prime. So the domain you want to buy, make sure it contains the name Sadu Prime. You now say dash, you now write your own company name. If your company name is Google Host, for example, you just say Google Host, for example. So you just do this. So because you are still relying on Sadu Prime for some of the things you are using, but I'm still going to teach you how to do it for your own self. You are not going to rely on Sadu Prime again. How to build the landing page, how to get the voiceover, how to do the video you saw on the landing page, how to do everything for your own self without any need of Sadu Prime. I'm going to teach you, because that is the goal. I want you to be able to do it for yourself. But if you should do that initially, you'll be doing a lot of things that are not directly proportional to the success of your agency. That's why I'm saving you stress by making it available for you to use Sadu Prime. The goal is not that you should continue to use Sadu Prime till the end of time. No. So just start with it. After getting some things, then you can build your own agency that doesn't rely on Sadu Prime at all. So when you write Sadu Prime dash your company name, just click on search. One thing you're going to see here is Sadu Prime ugos.ng is available, and it is 6,000 naira. But I will not advise you buy this .ng, because that has to do with Nigeria. So you should buy .com. .com is 16,000 naira, or you can buy .online if this one is too expensive. .online is very okay, 3,500 naira. This is very cheap. .org to 10,000. Don't buy this. .store. This .online is just okay, 3,500 naira per year. So buy this, and when you buy it, you know how to connect it to Cloudflare, then connect it to Go High Level. So you already know how to do that, so you should do that. So may Almighty Allah put back in our affairs. So make sure you are reaching out. Don't stop. After 1 month, 2 months, don't stop. Continue. If you have another service before, you have another skill, you can also reach out for that particular service too. Maybe some of you know data analysis. Maybe some of you know some other things too. You can reach out to people who are interested in that particular service. I know a lot of people who are reaching out for things different from this thing that we have taught you in Halal Dollars, and they are getting traction. So make sure you are reaching out. If you want to do this particular one, reach out and don't relent. If you are doing 100 per day, don't relent. Do it straight for 1 month, for 2 months, for 3 months. Just one job is enough to make a millionaire. Because even if you are collecting $1,000 per month, that's over 1 million naira right now. Imagine you are now collecting $2,000 or $3,000 per month. So just make sure you are doing the work. May Almighty Allah put back in our affairs. So when you buy the domain, you connect it to Cloudflare, then you connect it to Go High Level, the way we have taught you in the past lessons. So we ask Almighty Allah to assist us. Assalamu alaykum warahmatullah wabarakatuh.